everybody, welcome back to my channel real quick. I got 4 movies to show off. And I'm going to do a quickie unboxing video. So, from Friday, went to Best Buy. And I got these incredible movies. So, let's go ahead and unbox. The first movie just came out on the 4K edition, still factory sealed. The 45th anniversary of Jaws 2. We got the 4K, Blu-ray, and digital code. Of course, you can see the title, the spine, the back, so it's whipped right here. 4K is sharper than the HD. If you want to pause the video, you can also read the synopsis and the bonus features. Let's go ahead and slide right off quickly. And then to add addition to the slip covers. Jaws 2. So my bed is unmade, but I'm going to make it sooner or later. It's a PG movie, and it is 1 hour, 56 minutes long. I have shark movies myself to add to my collection. I couldn't find the steelbook, but that would be okay. Okay, here's your digital code. I wish everybody quit asking me about if I redeemed this movie. I have not redeemed any movies for the future content. So if you want your movie, come and get it. Draw down the number down. And of course, write down the movie of your choice on paper, and you can go to your local store. Here's other 4K autographs if you are interested in these movies. As you can tell, your roof is for artwork in the 4K. Next movie of Jaws 2. Next up, we got Arachnophobia. I'm a shout out to Miranda, thank you. I did pick this up for not a bad price for $5.99. This did not came with a slit. I'm sure all plastic is off. Holiday pictures, Ebola and entertainment. You'll see the spine. arachnophobia. And this movie is 105 minutes. I never seen this movie. I never heard arachnophobia, but I will take a chance to check it out. You can see there was no digital code, but there is a Blu-ray disc inside. Arachnophobia. New pick for me, and I'll check this out. Next up, we got Tom Cruise movies. We got a 4K, the Blu-ray and digital code. This is the first time on a 4K. It is Vanilla Sky. I have watched this for the July 4th and Independence Day of this month. It was on, I think it was Showtime when I first time to watch this movie. Paramount. It is 135 minutes. You can pause the video and read the synopsis above, and then this right here is all the package of disc 1, disc 2. Another slip cover. First time on 4K UHD. So I'm going to use a pencil for this. It's hard to get back with this crazy. There we go. Okay. Let's make sure we got every plastic off. This is a clean sweep. Tom Cruise, one of the hotties of all movies. First time on 4K. Here is the back. Here is the sauces, if you want to read. 135 minutes. Let's check inside. Snap. Here's the 4K Ultra. Here's the Vanilla Sky. So it's a little crinkled from inside. Like I said in this video, if anyone is asking me if I redeem these, I have not. Repeat, I have not. And again, repeat again, I do not redeemed any of these movies. Copy the movie down, write down the code, and get your copy. Nothing on the back. No visual artwork on this one. Here's the Blu-ray. It is also another Paramount Presents. That's 2 I got in my collection, and this one is in 4K. Like Red Eye from Wes Craven. Awesome. So we got Vanilla Sky, Rocket Arcadia. I just want to say it. I can't pronounce it anymore. And Jaws 2. This is 3 movies so far. Next up, we got, I got the last copy of the movie of Vanilla Sky. Tom Cruise. This one I got finally in the 30th anniversary edition called The Farm. Shout out to Movies and Susan. If you are really watching my channel, please check out these movies out when I got them. Because now I'm getting them in. Check out the spine. Perfect condition. 154 minutes. Let's go ahead and see what we can look at. We got another slipcover. So there you go. Showing that the way. So, Vanilla Sky, read, write down the number and write down the movie itself. Here's also Jaws 2. Write the number down. Write down the movie down. Of your list, if you don't have it, that's too bad. I'm messing my room again. There you go. Power can be murder to resist. Snaps. It's your 4K. The phone. Again, no. It was for artwork. Not on that side. Here's the phone. Write it. Memorize it. Write the number down. Write the movie down. You will go ahead and redeem it. I am sick and tired of everybody think I redeem these. I really am. So anyway, write the number down, write the movie down, and go ahead and get it in. Jaws 2. And Vanilla Sky. Looks like this one is only a 4K, not a Blu-ray, if you know this. So remember that every time I had these kind of movies in 4K, just the movie itself, it does not come with a Blu-ray itself. There you go. See? No Blu-ray. That's the discount code in 4K. This one says 4K and Blu-ray. 4K, no Blu-ray. 4K and a Blu-ray. Blu-ray, 4K, Blu-ray, no Blu-ray. There you have it, people. This one is 54 minutes long. You can read the subtitles up top and everything else. And that is it from the ending of the movie, of the unboxing video. We got the farm, vanilla sky, a wagon amphibia, and draws too. Thank you, everybody. If you have any comments of any of these movies, please do so. If you have any recommendations or recommends, please note that in my comment box as well, down in the description box. Here's all the slip covers. And digital codes. Thank you so much for moving Sue. Thank you, Miranda. Thank you, Ken, to all the shout outs that I am doing right now for this video. Thank you, everyone else, to recommend movies to me. And I definitely will get back to you when I can by tomorrow. My Kindle Blu-ray is arriving tomorrow. And I see what else I can pick up. So, meanwhile, you have a blessed day. And I'll see you in the next video. Give it a like, comments down below. Please subscribe to hit that subscribe button. I need more than 400 subscribers. And you let me know what's up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you, everybody.